Hello everybody and welcome back to Matt's in Crypto. Today we're going to be looking at Theta. This is a really good coin. We're going to be doing a quick Theta update on some Theta news, do a quick Theta technical analysis, or Theta price prediction, whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. I'm going to go over a little bit of NFT stuff here. There is these Theta NFTs that are looking super cool, created with AI. So I'm really excited to show you this. So yeah, let's get right into it. Before we do, I need to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. And we are also doing a giveaway for 100 USD. So if you want to be involved in that giveaway, be a subscriber and leave a comment down below or in any other video, and you'll be automatically entered into the giveaway. So let's get it. All right, so here we are, guys. This is Cosmographia. He has 2,000 followers on Twitter. Not very huge following, but I guarantee you'll be impressed by his sort of marketing that he's doing at the moment. This is what the NFT is going to look like, basically. Obviously, they're not all the same. This is created by an AI using a whole bunch of GPUs, so graphics cards, doing a bunch of complex math to kind of form very, very unique. They can make as many as they want. They're all going to look different. And they basically do that by incorporating the cyberpunk accents to the picture as well as an animal. Now, the stats are up here. This is what the NFT is going to be, so it shows kind of how the computer put it together, which is really cool. Here's the specs. So they rendered 20,000 of them across 1,440 GPUs. That is a lot of computation power. That is insane. They picked the top 2,000, and that was 3,300 people who picked those 2,000, and they all got to vote. So I guess they all voted on one picture, and then whatever got the most votes, the top 2,000, got to go through. 53 animal types, as well as 155 gold images. So obviously that's going to be the utility for rarity. There's also one more that I'm going to go over because it's pretty cool. But yeah, that leaves you with about a 7.7% chance of getting a gold rare NFT. That is cool. Here's the other utility for this project. So I guess each person who voted had a professional chess ranking, which they refer to as ELO. And they kind of averaged out all the voters and gave the NFTs they voted on an average of their professional ELO ranking there. So basically every NFT has a professional chess ranking. I don't know why they did it that way. Maybe the guy really likes chess, but it's basically going to be another incentive for rarity. So that is pretty cool. Trying to be unique with it, trying to incorporate more math. I guess they really like the math side of things, considering the AI and everything. It's pretty nuts. Like, this is a pretty nuts project, to be honest. But with such a low following, you don't think this is going to be very successful, even though it is very, innovative. Here we are with Theta and Mitch Lau. He is the CEO / co-founder of Theta, and he tweeted about this project. He really liked it. Obviously, it's on the Theta network, and it's very innovative, so he's going to tweet it. I don't know if he's sponsored by it or whatever. But yeah, so it's tweeted, Mitch Lau, and then Theta itself, the actual official Theta account, retweeted that as well. So this has got a lot of eyes on it right now. So really cool project. If you want to check it out, go check out Cosmographia on Twitter. Anyways, guys, let's get into the charts. We got a little bit going on here. We had a little bit of a dump, obviously. And we're looking like we're finding the floor. We might have a little bit more to go. So taking a look at the RSI down below, just over here, you can see that we are majorly undervalued. We're kind of coming into being a little bit better valued up at the 30 level, right there. But we could dip down. We could see another dip here. We have a little bit of leeway all the way down here to our weekly low. So that is our previous week low, actually. And that would be this level back here. I wouldn't be too surprised if we did dip down. We're going to see a retest on the daily, hopefully. And if we do get that retest, we could either see one of two things. We could see a swing failure where we come down, wicks down, comes back up, closes above. Perfect swing failure, and then we'll see some upside. Alternatively, we come down, we close below. That was a terrible drawing. Don't worry about it. We close below, have a nice big candle here. And then we have another candle that's going to come down and touch the weekly, being our next big point of support there. So that is the kind of one of two options that we can get. We're going to go over both and see what we should do to plan ahead, because we should always plan ahead for every possible outcome, because if we don't, you're going to get wrecked. So let's get into it. We're going to go with the bearish outcome, because that is what I'm predicting is probably going to happen. So let's take a look. If we do come down to that support there, we're going to draw Fibonacci. As soon as we get down there, we'd want to draw a Fibonacci. So let's just do it ahead of time, right? So we have our top right here at the very top of our range. And that would be, I'll give you an exact number actually. So about $4.04. And the bottom being the bottom of that wick, and the bottom being the previous week low at $3.65. So as you guys can already see, we're kind of respecting this Fibonacci level already, which makes me believe just a little bit more that more people are expecting to drop down to this previous week low. So I think it is pretty likely. So really watch these levels here. I'm going to price them out for you so you can see everything. All right, so there's all your fib levels right there. Very rough. And also that bottom level. So these are all basically the key levels you're going to be watching for and wanting to see where we're closing on. We're on the 1 hour chart right now. Obviously the 1 hour is very prominent, and if we're closing on the hour chart, it is significant. But definitely on the daily, if you see closes like that, they're way more significant and can cause a lot more to happen on the price action. So really watch both. You want to watch as many time frames as you can and kind of relate them to each other. That is really important. Before I go on with this video, guys, I want to let you know I'm not here to tell you the future. I'm here to tell you when to enter, when to exit, and I'm here to help you learn. So if you guys want to learn and you want to know when to enter and exit the market based on my opinion, this is not financial advice, remember. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, because I will be updating you as often as I can. I'm almost on a daily basis. I just got to try and get into the habit of doing this. I'm not used to making videos on the daily, but I am enjoying it and I love the feedback I'm getting from you guys. So thank you very much for subscribing and liking this video and commenting on all my other videos, guys. I really appreciate it. So when we do bounce off this bottom support here, we're going to be looking to see resistance on the bottom of this fib level as well as the daily, because they're pretty close. So I wouldn't be surprised if we wicked up to the daily, came down, saw a little consolidation here, a little sideways action, and then eventually pop back up into that range. But as for what exactly is going to happen, like I said, guys, I'm not going to be able to tell the future. But when we do get there, I will be making videos on what is going on. So keep that in mind. Now, you know the levels, you know where the support and resistance are. Let's talk about what happens if we go up. So if we do come down, we touch this daily level, and then we're looking for the upside, and we swing fail off this bottom. We're going to be looking to come up to this level here. This is a pretty high level. It is going to be an insane run up, but assuming Bitcoin allows it, we're going to be looking at almost 10% gains all the way up there. This level is a pretty key point of resistance. We have this Fibonacci level going all the way back from that December 6th dump that we had there. Very significant. As you can see, we bottomed out on this green line, as well as we have that golden fib level right above it. So that is going to be a really key resistance point we're going to have to watch when we get there. But I suggest watching those. I'll price those out for you so you guys can see. So that is the bottom of the fib pocket. There's the top. A rough number on that level there. Our bottom. So guys, write that down, pause the video, do whatever you need to. So this video is more of just kind of pointing out a lot of key levels. If you guys like this style, I'm not really sure how I want to present to you guys yet. So let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like, and I'll try and adapt to the crowd, so to speak. Right now, we are in a very volatile market, so it is really hard to predict, especially because of Bitcoin's volatility. Bitcoin is in a very sensitive state right now. Everybody is very emotional. They don't know if they want to pull out or line their pockets with some more Bitcoin. Every time we get a dump, guys, we have people who are getting scared. When we dump, you buy, guys. That is how it works. If you are, as long as you're invested in a good coin or a good, stock or anything, whatever you're invested in, you should be invested because you like it. If it drops, buy opportunity, not a sell opportunity. We buy low, we sell high. We don't buy high and sell low. You guys should know that. I think you do know that. I think there's a lot of smart people out there. I think there's a lot of smart people watching this video. And if you are one of those smart people, subscribe, hit me in the comments, because you can win $100 USD. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.